Ever pondered how to simplify the myriad tasks in your daily life? Ever wished for an extra set of hands? Or perhaps a super intelligent assistant? Look no further. The solution lies in the realm of artificial intelligence, specifically Gemini AI. Gemini AI, a cutting-edge technology, can perform a plethora of tasks that were once time-consuming or mundane. Now, imagine your life with these 15 tasks automated and optimized by Gemini AI. 1. Gemini AI can manage your emails. It sorts, prioritizes, and even responds to your emails based on learned behavior. 2. It can take over your social media management. Gemini AI schedules posts, interacts with followers, and analyzes trends, keeping your digital presence vibrant and consistent. 3. The AI can handle your online shopping. It finds the best deals, places orders, and tracks deliveries, making online shopping a breeze. 4. It assists in personal finance management. Gemini AI tracks expenses, makes investment suggestions, and even predicts financial trends. 5. It aids in language translation. Whether it's a foreign film or a multilingual document, Gemini AI can translate multiple languages with accuracy. 6. Gemini AI can schedule your appointments. From doctor's visits to business meetings, it keeps your calendar up to date and reminders in check. 7. It can control your smart home devices. Gemini AI ensures your home's temperature, lighting, and security are always optimal. 8. It can be your personal fitness coach. Gemini AI designs workout plans, tracks progress, and provides fitness advice based on your goals. 9. It can tutor in various subjects. From geometry to guitar lessons, Gemini AI adapts to your learning pace and style. 10. It can plan your meals. Based on dietary preferences and nutritional needs, Gemini AI recommends recipes and creates a grocery list. 11. It can help with travel plans. Gemini AI finds the best routes, books tickets, and even suggests tourist attractions. 12. It can provide real-time traffic updates and alternative routes, making your daily commute smoother. 13. It can monitor your health. From reminding you to take your vitamins to tracking your sleep patterns, Gemini AI promotes a healthier lifestyle. 14. It can automate your digital file organization. Gemini AI sorts, labels, and archives your digital files for easy access. And 15. It can even help you learn a new language. With tailored lessons and interactive exercises, Gemini AI makes language learning more engaging. In summary, Gemini AI is a revolutionary tool that can simplify your life in numerous ways. Its capabilities range from managing mundane tasks to assisting in complex decision-making processes. Gemini AI's ability to learn and adapt makes it a versatile and reliable personal assistant. It's not just about doing tasks faster, but doing them smarter. With Gemini AI, you can focus on what truly matters while it takes care of the rest. Experience a new level of convenience with Gemini AI, where the future of artificial intelligence is not just a concept, but a reality.